Mounting bracket parts list. Assembling the mounting bracket. Place a square washer on the M10 by 150 bolt. Insert the bolt through the strut. Add a second square washer and then add an M10 nut. Spin the nut all the way down the thread. Using two 17mm spanners, tighten the nut. Repeat this procedure for the second bolt. Attaching the delta bracket. Using 2 times N10 by 20 bolts, fix the bracket to the strut. There should be a washer fitted underneath the head of the bolt and underneath the nut. The nut should be on the bracket side. Using two 17mm spanners, tighten the nut. Attaching the sensor mounting plate. To insert the spring nuts, push down on the spring and twist 90 degrees. Use 2 times N10 by 20 bolts to attach the mounting plate to the strut. Washers are not required on these bolts. Be sure not to over-tighten the bolts. Attaching the bracket to the mounting pole. Place the strut with the bolts in behind the mounting pole. Now slide the other strut over the top of the bolts. Add an M10 washer to each bolt. Spin on the M10 nuts until they're hand tight. Use a 17mm spanner to tighten both nuts. Preparing and fitting the 500mm strut. To insert the spring nuts, push down on the spring and twist 90 degrees. Place an M10 washer onto each bolt. Place the strut on top of the delta bracket and loosely insert one bolt. Slide the strut towards the mounting pole. Now insert the second bolt. Tighten both bolts using a 17mm spanner. Installing the sensor. First, locate the Ethernet port on the sensor. Place the sensor onto the mounting plate and rotate 90 degrees in an anti-clockwise direction. Using a 2mm hex key, tighten both set screws on the mounting plate. Finally, plug in the Ethernet cable.